Hey friends, so yesterday we left with the syllabus of Core Java. We discussed that there will be three modules of Core Java which I'll be covering, and out of which the first module will be basic Java programming knowledge. And in the basic Java programming knowledge, we are going to know what is Java, features of Java, what are classes, objects, constructors, methods, variable identifiers, and how you work with the conditional statements, loops. So these the knowledge of these basic Java programming is a must if you want to write a code. So without this, you cannot write a code, you cannot compile a code, and you cannot make an application. And this is not just about Java. This is for all the different kind of languages we have. Okay, so and as I told in yesterday's session that I'll be sharing a document for this. Okay, today I'll be sharing a doc for basic Java programming language. Okay, so you guys can download it and you guys can go through this. Okay, but I would request you not go through all the topics. Whatever topics I'm covering today, just go through that. And if you have any question, ask. Do not go ahead. Okay, so one by one, go take step by step and do not take everything in just a single day. Okay, so let's start with the document. If I go through this document, okay, so this was the document which I have made when I was studying Java. Okay, so I think it was from 2017. Okay, now um, yes, I can go through this. Now, what is Java? So Java is a programming language we all know. Okay. So Java is a simple and yet powerful object-oriented programming language, and it is in many aspects similar to C++. C++ is also a programming language, and when I'm saying object-oriented programming language, do not take anything on your head now. I will explain what is object-oriented programming language means. Okay, C++ is also a programming language very widely used uh, in the industries before. Now Java has taken over, and Java is most widely used programming language in any enterprise applications. Most of the well-known applications where you work with are made up with Java. Okay, so yes, so who was the creator of Java? So James Gosling, he was the creator of Java. He was working with Sun Microsystem at that period of time, and he developed Java in 1991. But the first public available Java version, that is Java 1.0, was launched in 1995. So initially, James Gosling has developed it, and it was made available for public on 1995. So it's almost 27 years from now. Okay, so Java. Now we know about Java. We got to know more things about Java. So Java is actually, what is Java? We got to know that it is a programming language. Now Java, when we say Java has three components. When I say three components, it consists of three components that are JDK, JVM, and JRE. So just think on this. So Java is there, and with Java there are three components: JDK, JVM, and JRE. Okay. So what is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. The JDK consists of all necessary softwares which are required to develop a Java application. The latest version of JDK, it was 1.9 in time of 2017. Now it is 16. JDK 16 version is there, which is live now. Okay, so JDK is your Java development kit, and it consists of all the softwares which are required for a development of a Java application. So be it Java compiler, applets, all are the parts of JDK. Okay. Then JRE. JRE is Java Runtime Environment. So here, just assume we are in the planet Earth, and when we talk about in Earth, we are in Asia, we are in India, and some part of India, or we are in some part of some region. We have a different environment. In India, there is a different environment. In Antarctica, there is a different environment. Okay, if I go and live in Antarctica, I may not be able to survive. I may not be able to live. Okay, okay, leave about Earth. If I go and go to Mars, if I go to Sun, I won't be able to survive. Why? Because the environment is not suitable for me. Correct? So for Java also, or any application to run, we need an environment to run it. So JRE is Java Runtime Environment. JRE consists of software which are required, which are needed to provide a suitable environment to execute a Java application. So to run a Java application, we also need an environment. If we don't have that environment, Java application we cannot run. So JRE is going to provide us that environment. Okay. Then JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, and literally it is a heart of Java application. If you don't have heart, you cannot survive. Okay. It also makes the system compatible to run a Java application. So you have a system. Your application needs to be compatible to run a Java application. So JVM does that. JVM is actually a virtual machine which works under that. So this was about JDK, JVM, and JRE. So I'm making short videos so that everyone is going to get each and every topics in one video. Okay. So in one video, one specific topic. So that is why I'm making it short. So tomorrow I'll be discussing on the next session. I'll be discussing about the other topics. Okay. So today we have covered the definition and components of Java. Hope everyone is clear, and if you have any question, please feel free to post it in comment section.